Hi there, this is Miss Hardy, and I'm just going to show you a few quick tips and tricks for this green screen app right here called Do Ink with the pink octopus on it. So when you go into Do Ink, maybe you've used it before, maybe not, but you hit the plus button to create a new project. And you have 3 rows down here at the bottom to work with. The green screen row has to go over your background row. So I'm just going to start in the middle and put my green screen row in there. You have 4 options here. The camera is if you need to shoot it right now, which you're probably not doing. You probably already shot it. It's in your camera roll, and you go to video to find it. I'm going to go to all, and I'm going to select the green screen that I have in here, Miss DeVore. So there she is. Notice everything that's green shows up in black, and these ugly edges will take care of those. You can do that in Do Ink, which is really nice. But I'm going to add my background images first. So I already have those saved. I went to Safari and Google Images and saved a few. I'm going to go to all, and I'm going to use this pretty background and dump that in. So notice now it filled up all that stuff that was green screened. And if you want to use a second picture, you just find the spot where it goes. You can hit play and kind of see and watch the time down here. And say you're like, oh, okay, there it is. Oh, it's 9 seconds. So then move your red line to the 9-second mark. And then add your next picture. It's pretty much that easy. And I'm gonna add, let's see, I made this one in PicCollage. It's pretty nice to be able to make your own background in PicCollage. Notice my PicCollage picture is selected in red. It's sideways. I don't want it that way. Pretty simple to move it around, make it bigger and smaller. Okay, I'm gonna make it fill up this. Now, I don't like these edges. Remember I said we could fix that? Well, I have to select down here Miss DeVore, or the green screen picture, so that the red is around it, so it's selected. And once I've selected my green screen, I can hit this drama face over here, and now I can put a filter. So at the bottom, there's a few filters. I just use this rectangle one, and I'm just, oh, I didn't like that. I'm just gonna go all the way up to the top, and here, all the way up to the top. So now I erased those, but this black line down here is gonna show on my video. So I'm just going to try to erase that out too. Get as close as I can. I'm not going to be too perfect here. And then once I have all that, I'm going to hit done. And all the ugly goes away. And then, bam, my picture is up. So now I'm like, oh, I can't move my background because the green screen is selected. But notice, so whichever one you have selected, you can make bigger and smaller. So that picture, bigger, smaller. Green screen, bigger, smaller. One thing to note, wherever I put the video, that's where it's going to be the whole time, unless I've chopped it into lots of little videos. So keep that in mind when you're shooting in your green screen, that you might want to shoot 5 or 10 seconds at a time, so that way you can move them around and put them wherever you want. And then one other thing, if you want to add sounds, or you need to do some more cutting, when you're finished, you hit the save button. And it'll export your project, and at the end it'll say where to, and you'll say camera roll. And then once it's in your camera roll, of course, you can put it into the iMovie app, which a lot of people know how to use, and then you can do some more editing there. Good luck, and if you need anything, let me know.